The KORG B1 SP is an outstanding digital piano that's ideal for beginners and more advanced pianists. KORG is one of the world's largest musical instrument manufacturers. Its renowned digital keyboards, pianos and other music products are used on stage, in studios and homes around the world. The B1 SP features a full-size touch-sensitive, natural-weighted hammer action, which gradually feels lighter as you move up the keyboard to accurately recreate the feel and response of a traditional piano. When you play, you actually hear the sound of a real piano, digitally sampled and stored in the instrument. Even the resonance of the strings can be heard as you play. In conjunction with the advanced servo speaker system, the rich, expressive sound of a concert grand is recreated in meticulous detail. The B1 SP can be used for any type of music, from classical or jazz to rock and pop. In addition to 3 acoustic pianos, other sounds are available. And when you want to go back to your grand piano, simply press the piano play button. Along with useful features such as key transpose and a metronome, the keyboard can even be divided into 2 identical sections, perfect for teacher-student practice or duets. A matching stand and 3 pedal unit are included to give you a complete home digital piano solution. The audio output lets you practice in silence with headphones or connect to a sound system for performing in larger venues. Every aspect of the instrument illustrates a special attention to detail. The rounded slimline design sets the B1 SP apart from other digital pianos, while the music rest incorporates a page retention system. The B1 SP is available in black or white and comes with a full 5-year warranty. So, make a sound investment in your musical future with KORG. The Yamaha ARIUS YDP-103 is a great instrument to introduce you to the joy of playing the piano. Its rich, authentic sound and responsive feel combine the heritage of a Yamaha acoustic piano with the latest digital technology. The sound you will hear is a Yamaha grand piano, sampled in stereo for a dynamic, expressive tonal quality. The graded hammer standard keyboard simulates the feel of an acoustic piano, with the precisely weighted action becoming lighter at the higher end of the keyboard. Touch response can be easily adjusted to suit the player. ARIUS pianos feature 3 pedals: soft, sostenuto and damper with half pedal function. ARIUS pianos never need tuning and can be played with headphones. The YDP-103 also has a range of features which enhance the playing experience. Digital reverb simulates the ambience of different performance locations in your own home. In addition to grand piano, a selection of other voices are available. Voices can even be combined, such as piano and strings. The YDP-103 features a function button, which is used together with the piano keys to access all the features of the instrument. You can connect the YDP-103 via USB to a computer or to an iPad, iPhone or iPod Touch, where a variety of apps are available, including Digital Piano Controller, which gives you easy access to the YDP-103's various features. You can select voices, control the metronome, reverb, and many other functions. The app will also store your favourite settings and recordings. You can even connect wirelessly with the UD-BT01 Bluetooth adapter. Start your musical journey with the ARIUS YDP-103 digital piano from Yamaha.
Hey everyone, this is Matt at Alesis, and I'm here to show you the Alesis Recital Pro digital piano. The Recital Pro is a full-featured digital piano with 88 full hammer action keys, and it's loaded with great features for students who are just getting started as well as professionals. Let's take a listen to some of the Recital Pro's 12 built-in voices, and I'll show you some of the things you can do with them. First, to select a voice on the Recital Pro, all you have to do is just press one of the voice buttons. Each voice button has two selectable voices, and if you want to select the second voice, you just hit the button again. You can add modulation, reverb, and chorus effects to your sound, and they can be turned on and off by pressing each of those buttons on the top panel. One cool feature is layer mode, which is used for layering two voices together for a full, rich sound. To do this, select the first of the two voices you want, and then hold down the layer button and select the second voice. For example, if I want piano and strings, I would select piano, and then while holding down the layer button, I would select strings. Another great feature is split mode, which divides the keyboard into two separate voices. For example, vibraphone in the right hand and bass in the left hand. A useful feature for teachers and students is lesson mode. Lesson mode divides the keyboard into two areas with identical pitch and voice, so a teacher and student can easily watch each other and play together without having to take turns. To access this mode, just press Lesson. The Recital Pro has 20-watt speakers, so it can get nice and loud. But if you want even more volume, you could hook it into an amplifier, PA speaker, or home stereo system by using the 1/4-inch line outputs on the back. You can also connect your headphones to the Recital Pro's headphone output, and this will mute the onboard speakers so you can practice in private. Once again, I'm Matt from Alesis, and thanks for checking out the Alesis Recital Pro digital piano. We'll catch you again next time.
The PX-S3000 has two knobs you can use to control the sound, control effects and other parameters in real time. we have 14 sets of parameter combinations you can assign to the knobs. Let's take a look. We're going to use this button to cycle through the menu, control, until we find the knob button. Here we have the 14 different sets. This one is a filter with the cutoff frequency and resonance. We're going to scroll up to number 14, which is, in my opinion, very interesting, and that is DSP parameters. DSP means digital signal processing, which means effects you can apply to your sounds. The PX-S3000 has 100 built-in effects you can apply, and we're going to assign certain parameters to these knobs. Alright, as we can see, our knobs are assigned to number 14, DSP parameter. Now we want to select an effect. For that, under Control, DSP, and then we can choose one of 100 different effects. We're going to go to phaser for now and play. Alright, we can hear a slight phaser, but we want to turn it up a little bit. Okay, we can hear a difference. With the effect parameters assigned to the knobs, we have a whole bunch of different options to explore. If you want to control your sound even further, you can use a pitch bend wheel or an expression pedal. I connected it right here, and we have a few options we can do with this. We're going to go into Function, go over there to Pedal and Wheel. We're going to go to Expression Assign Pedal, go to Pedal Target, and here are the different options. All right, there you have it. Let's get going.